Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A22 and you are wondering how to change language. Or you might be somehow or some cases your phone language has changed and you want to change it to English. So in this video I will share with you how you can change language to your mother tongue, or you want to make your smartphone to English language. So first of all, currently my phone is installed English and I want to install any other language. For that, I'm going to click in my phone settings section. After click over settings section, I'm going to scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say general management. After click over general management, you're going to see something say languages. From here, currently I have only English. If you want to add your mother tongue, you can easily click here add language and you're going to see there is going to be appear bunch of language. For example, it's you can see scroll down, you can see there is a huge language is available. For example, let me choose here this Islinska. Even I don't know what is that language. Anyway, I'm going to set this language and I'm going to choose here set as default. Now my phone completely changed English to Iceland, some straight language anyway, and now your phone also might be currently other language and you don't know that language but you want to change your phone language to English. How you can do that? This is what I want to share with you guys. For example, my one is now some language and I want to change it to English. So first of all, what you need to do, I will share you some trick to follow or change that language to English. First of all, obviously you need to find out the gear icon. If it is not in here home screen, you need to swipe up to jump over all apps and then you need to find out the gear icon which is now appeared. So anytime the language is going to be changed but the icon going to be still appear same with any language. So we're going to click this gear icon and after that you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say this icon which is the general management. So we're going to click over on it and after that we're going to see screen appear just like this and then we're going to click here just like this this one, and then if English is appear here it's fine, or if it is English not available you can go click the plus icon to install the English, or if it's in for example I would like to install the English Australia, and now a pop-up going to be appear. Do you like to set this language your default language? Obviously you're going to make it here default, and now you can see my phone language has successfully changed from Iceland to English Australia, which is really quite interesting. So within this way you can easily change your phone language either you don't know that language. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.